I'm making cake lab. Anna's Toys Review. Today we're going to use and review the low surprise confetti pop. Today.
Yeah, so we have the LOL Confetti Pop birthday. And Anna's so excited to open the box. Da 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 da. What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? What's that? Anna's reading instruction.
Let's see if we get this one.
Okay.
How can I open it?
You have to rip it off. Pull it, pull it.
How can I pull it?
If you cannot pull it, you can't get it.
How can I get it?
Use your brain. Opening it now. And she got it. Oh wow, there's a confetti.
Confetti.
And what's inside? We have mystery toys, baby. What's inside? Oh, what's her name?
It's this one.
Is a collect LOL doll. And Anna got Anna's confettis everywhere. And she got some toys. My love. First one, we have this doll. And it has an accessory such as, what's your accessories, my love? Shoes, clothes, and what do you have? Another shoes, 2 shoes of course, vertical dress, and then she has a Perkman purse. Wow.
Oh, it's a rabbit.
Pretty. He is so pretty. The last one in the package is bottle. Wow, this is so pretty. We have the doll, the shoes, the dresses, the purse, the bow, the headband, and then the bottle. Carrots.
Is it carrots?
Carrots. Carrots. Yeah, she's
so glittery.
It's so glittery. She's so beautiful.
Her dress on.
Her dress on. Okay, beautiful. Glitters everywhere? Oh no.
Confetti is out. There's a confetti. I got these hands on that.
For her head, her baby, her. Gotta feed her. Yes. And that is all about the and the dolls. And we have carrot. Alright. He is so pretty. Look at that. Why is she jumping, Anna? Because she's the bunny. We have here LOL Confetti Pop. So we have here Miss Garnet, Violet, Aqua, Carrots, Emerald Babe, Pearl Cutie, Jubilee, Festive Baby, Sweet Sapphire, Opal Cutie, Pumpkin Spice, Holidays. And Anna got carrots. Right. It's the LOL Confetti for birthday. Happy birthday to
I didn't get those characters.
It's okay. We'll find another one in another box. We'll buy another one.
The BB said unbox me.
Yeah. And then what's your problem?
Opal quit and celebrate.
Alright. And I got them all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Water, you better squirt his ears. He has tears.
Oh, she has tears. You want to make her cry?
I'll put some water and this finger lets you squirt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.